Kelly Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, who's about to show us a really quick, delicious recipe.
So this is a recipe straight out of Genoa,
Ooh, really?
right?
Yeah.
So imagine we're in the coast, right? The wind's in your hair, right?
Sure.
The salt on your lips,
I feel it.
right?
Yeah.
Well, this is Trofie al Pesto. This pasta right here is called Trofie Pasta, and it's fantastic.
It's adorable.
Yeah, it's so good. Green beans, throw it right in. We're gonna throw some potatoes in there.
Why not?
This is what makes a dish, if you ask me. It's lemon zest. Smell that. Isn't that smell so
Love
fresh?
that. One of my
We're
favorite.
gonna throw that right in there. Then I'm gonna hit it with a little pecorino now, and then a lot more later.
Okay.
Okay, extra virgin olive oil right there. A little bit of black pepper and salt. Toasted pine nuts. You like pine nuts?
I do.
Now this is the star right here. Pesto Genovese. This dish, Lil, I want to make it by myself when no one's home. This way I can have the whole bowl to myself.
Come invite me over.
You got it.
Go fight
you
for
got
it.
I mean, look at that, Lil. Isn't
It's
that?
beautiful. I love all the green with the.
And it just, I wish we had Smell TV, right?
Yeah,
Because you
could
could smell it. And that's Trofie al Pesto,
Oh
everybody.
my God, that looks amazing and so easy. So head to our website, newspulp.com. Try it at home. I know I'm going to.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks, Giovanni.
Thank you, Lil.